Hey everyone, want to study smarter, not harder? TurboLearn AI turns your lectures, PDFs and videos into organized notes, flashcards, quizzes, and even podcasts. Here's how to use it. So guys, you just need to go ahead and open your dashboard first, and then record live audio during class. One of the options, of course, or upload MP3 file or PDF, or paste a YouTube link. And then select the subject or class type, for example, biology or history, and then just click on Generate Notes. So TurboLearn will create structured notes with tables, diagrams and emojis, flashcards for active recall, quizzes with multiple choice questions, podcast-style audio summarizes you can listen to on the go. Use the AI chatbot to ask questions or clarify concepts directly from your notes. And that's pretty much how to use this. It's perfect for studies, professionals, or anyone who wants to turn passive content into active learning. Like and subscribe, guys, for more such tutorials, and thank you for watching.